In this video, I want to show you how to enable Google Ads Engine API. For instance, I'm trying to open this project and I saw this notification that the Google Ads Engine API has not been used in this project before, or it is disabled. So before it can be used, I have to enable it, and I was given an address to go to enable the Google Ads API. So now I will show you how to do it. If you are encountering the same problem, just click on the project and you will see enable API. So click on enable API. This will open a new tab, and here you can see enable. Just click on it. Allow the page to load fully while you can close this pump up. So just allow it to load properly. It will enable the API. Yes, it's almost done. It's almost done. Now we can go back to our project and refresh it to see if it has enabled the API. And if you refresh it, it will ask you to open the project again. Just click on this drop down, select the project again and click on select. Let's open it, and if it doesn't work, just copy the address and open in a new tab. It should work by now. Yes, the project has opened successfully and the API is now working for this project successfully. You can see it. And if you come to this side, you can see that the error message is not displaying again, and you can see the project has opened fully. You can see it. So if you are having this type of issue, or you created a new project and you want to enable API, this is how to do it. If you have questions, let's know in the comment section. So from henceforth, we'll be doing videos on Google Ads Engine for different analyses as it may deem fit. So this is how to do it. Thank you for watching.